Alright, what is up guys, your boy Johnny again, bringing you another video. I apologize if I look bummy, but right now I just got off work and we are on our way to go pick up a new project for the channel. I apologize for not uploading, but work has really been kicking our ass. So yeah guys, stay tuned and hope y'all like what we get, because it's a project. So yeah guys. Alright guys, so a little update. There was a lot of traffic. I didn't the plan was to get some shots of the truck while we were loading it up on the tow truck, because like I said, it is a project or whatever. But we got here and the tow truck beat us, so they are currently on the way to drop it off at the house. So yeah guys, I'll show you the truck when we get to the house or whatever, if we even have light left, because it is getting pretty dark. But yeah guys, stay tuned. Aquí en medio. No, mi primo, le gané. $40 menos. Mira aquí, primo, aquí lo vamos a poner. $40 menos. Sí. Voy a poner 40 porque no llegaste con la llave más. Ahí están las llaves en la caja. No, pero por eso están las llaves en la caja. En la cajuela. Project OBS. ¿Qué tiene? 1, 2, 3, fíjate. Nah, son puras fotos de la internet, no.
Ah, sí, mira el internet, qué chulo.
Órale.
En lugar, mira.
No, está chingón. No, bro.
Es que las placas son no tiene nada de pinche.
Digo, no tiene nada.
No, de freno no sé.
Oh. Qué chulada, no, hombre. Alright guys, well as y'all see it, this is a new project. It's a 95. It's got its little details, man, but shit, wouldn't be a project if it didn't, right? Yeah, just wait till we're done with this one. I'm excited, guys. So as you guys saw, that is a new project. I'm excited. I don't know what to say. I mean, it's a beautiful truck, so just gotta have an imagination of what it can be. But yeah guys, hopefully y'all like it or whatever, and y'all stay tuned, because I think by the time we're done with this, it's gonna look pretty different. Right now we just gotta go to the gas station and get some change, because the guy doesn't have change, you know, the tow truck guy. So I think that should be it, guys. If not, well, I'll keep you posted. Alright guys, so that is it. Had to stop also to get my Coke, and yeah guys, ¿qué hice? But yeah guys, hopefully you guys, oh shoot, hold on. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Stay tuned. Like I said, I'm still trying to post on the daily, but sometimes just work gets in the way. Hopefully y'all guys understand. But yeah, we got that truck for more content for you guys. Yeah, we'll see what happens. Well yeah guys, catch you on the next one. Peace.